Hey, are you looking to buy a spray drone and want to learn how to fly it legally? Well, stick around and we're going to show you how. Hey, welcome to Max Drone Service. Today we're talking about licensing, in particular spray drone licensing and exemptions. We're going to talk about interacting with the FAA as well as your state regulators to make sure that you're flying legally. There are three things that you're going to need from the FAA. The first is going to be your Part 107, the second is a Part 137, and the third is going to be a 44807. Now the Part 107 is pretty easy to do, and there are various study techniques and websites to utilize to study for that exam, and we'll provide those later in the video. The 137 and 44807 can be overwhelming and difficult, but Max Drone Service provides a consultant ready to curate your documents for you and submit them to the FAA. The Part 107 or Remote Pilot Certificate is probably the easiest part of this process. However, you're still going to take a 60-question exam, and that's to demonstrate to the FAA that you're competent in regulations, safety, and procedures. Now, there are no refunds for this exam, so if you take it and fail, you're out that money. So we recommend two platforms for pre-tests as well as study guides, and that's going to be Pilot Institute and Drone Launch Academy. Both platforms will help facilitate a passing grade. The Part 137. The 137 is required to legally dispense chemical from your drone. To start this process, you're going to send a letter of intent to the FAA, and after that letter is submitted, you'll get in contact with your local Flight Standards District Office, FSDO, your FSDO office. Every state has one. You'll just get in contact with them and set up various meetings so they can evaluate you verbally as well as watch you fly. Now, this process can seem daunting, and this is why Max Drone Service provides a consultant to help you submit this paperwork and guide you through this process. Heavy drone exemption. That's the 44807. This exemption is for drones over 55 pounds, and chances are if you're buying a spray drone, it's going to weigh over 55 pounds. Not only that, but the FAA is going to require a Class 2 medical certificate. This is very similar to a sports physical and will be conducted by an FAA designated aviation examiner. Now, this process between the 137 and 44807 can take 9 months, maybe more. But as always, Max Drone Service has a way to get you up flying faster than that. So make sure to subscribe, keep an eye out for the video, and we'll show you exactly how. Additional exemptions that you may be looking at for your operation may be night flying operations or multi-drone swarm operations. If these exemptions are something that you're looking into, you want to see content on it, comment below and let us know. Now that we've gotten through the FAA requirements, you will have individual state requirements as well. And one of those is going to be your pesticide applicator license or certificate, as well as commercial insurance. For more information on this, make sure to subscribe and keep an eye out for our future video on individual state requirements. Thanks for checking out Max Drone Service Licensing. We have plenty more content coming your way. Stay tuned and we'll see you soon.